holding my hand like this, like I'm a soldier. IKEA. You think it's good? Yes. Is the quality good?
I don't know actually.
What did you buy?
I buy... vad heter byrå?
Shelves.
Shelves, ja. Det är köp. Och lampa.
And a lamp.
Ja.
Thank you very much.
I'm hungry. Let's go and eat some Swedish meatballs. So, meatballs are usually made with ground beef or a mix of ground beef, pork and sometimes veal. It can also contain breadcrumbs soaked in milk, chopped and fried onion, some broth and cream. When you order this dish, you get mashed potatoes, meatballs, obviously, lingonberry jam and brown sauce. At home we have some IKEA furniture too. My favorite is my bed. It looks like this, 3 drawers. I also have some more furniture in my room, like drawers and stuff like that. Michelle, do you have some furniture from IKEA?
Yes, I have shelves and a bed too. And
IKEA also has a foundation that builds a better home for refugee children, empowering women and fighting child labor. Thanks to the co-workers and the customers, IKEA is able to donate money. In 2012, they were able to donate 82 million euros to different countries with economic problems. Everyone who has bought from IKEA knows that the Allen Hex tool can help to produce big results. So IKEA's foundation is investing in another tool, an irrigation pump, to help women and families in Southern Africa to lift them up from poverty. You can also help poor people if you buy a soft toy, because IKEA donates €1 for each soft toy you buy. If you want to keep up with the foundation work, you can visit the Eyewitness blog. There you can see how much money IKEA has donated and see the eyewitness experience from when they help people. And if you don't know what eyewitnesses are, they are people who help the vulnerable people. But IKEA is not done to trust anyone with this money, so they make their partners to demonstrate every year that they are using the money for good purposes, like donating. The IKEA Foundation is founding a Kickstart program because they believe women are the most important catalyst in their children's lives. By empowering women, the foundation can help to improve the children's health, education and future opportunities. IKEA has many partners like UNICEF, Chai, Fight for Peace and many more. In total, IKEA has 20 partners that makes the world into a better place. Okay, at least they try.
Ingvar Campbell was 17 years old when he got some money from his dad because he had finished his studies. And from that money he opened the first IKEA. From the beginning, IKEA was only selling a few things like pencils, nylon stockings and watches. The year was 1943. In 1948, furniture got into IKEA's collection. In 1951, the first IKEA catalog was born. Ever since, the catalog has been made every year. This is the catalog for this year. The first IKEA outside Sweden opened in 1963 in Oslo. Today, there are 298 IKEA stores around the world in 26 different countries. The webpage IKEA.com was released to the public in 1997. We were born!
Okay, so hi, it's Michelle again, and I'm a total idiot because I forgot to say some things when we were in IKEA, me and Nina. So I'm gonna say it now. The first thing is that the IKEA that we went to was one of the biggest in the world. The American counterpart is Bed Bath & Beyond or Home Depot. IKEA stores are operated by a number of different franchises in 29 countries. The first IKEA opened in 1958 in Älmhult. The name IKEA comes from Ingvar Kamrad's initials, IKEA. Ingvar Kamrad Enteryd Agunnaryd. Ingvar Kamrad is his full name, but Enteryd is the yard he was born in, and Agunnaryd is the village name.
IKEA also has some special customer cards. They are named are IKEA Family, IKEA Buy and IKEA Business. For example, with the IKEA Family card, you can get discounts on special IKEA Family products, and you can get access to special sales for IKEA Family members. Thank you. Hi! All IKEA's furniture is self-assembly, easier to do it yourself. It's good because you can take it home with you easier, and the employers don't have to assemble all the furniture themselves. They can focus on something more interesting and more necessary.
What else? As a part of our human being, it makes sense that we get bored or tired of something. So what do you do with it? Well, you get rid of it, of course, and you can do it here. In fynd, as we say it in Swedish. You get up to 70% discounts on used furniture that somebody has left here. For a good price, let us say that. Yes, sure. Thank you for following our trip to IKEA.
See you soon in the classroom!
It's freaking cold.
Hi! Okay, so I forgot what I
More environmentally friendly.
do it yourself. It's nu var den delen.
There are many items from Sweden, Norway,
Hej! Här på
Danmark.
IKEA håller alltid billigt. Men du kommer väl ihåg att
Canada.
vår fyndavdelning?
USA,
Där hittar du möbler och inredning till ännu
Great
bättre
Britain,
pris.